All right, so I had some doubts, I'll admit it. I've got a bias sometimes against those as seen on TV products. But we got some stubborn stains up in our bathroom, in our shower area. We got some mold and mildew buildup in one of our bathrooms, and so we wanted to take care of that. And that's where this came in. We were reading a lot about this and how it can tackle mold and mildew stains that other sprays and things aren't always able to tackle. And at first I was skeptical, but I'll admit to you, after using this now, there is a huge difference. Setup of this actually comes not pre-mixed. It's actually shipped with these refill packets so that you can make it and you're not paying extra shipping for a bunch of water. And it's pretty easy and straightforward. You pour a packet in here, you fill it with warm water, you shake it up for a while, and then you let it sit. You do need to let it sit for a little bit. I've seen some reviews where people are saying like the sprayer gets clogged. It's because you didn't follow instructions. Like you have to use warm water in here, shake it up, and let it sit so all of the powder fully dissolves before using it as a spray. Now it does give off an odor. There is a bleach-like odor to this, a chlorine-type odor to this this solution, and so just be aware you're going to want to use this in a well-ventilated area, and it is not designed to be used on food or near anything pet sensitive, anything like that. But overall, man, we couldn't be happier with it. It's strong, it seems to work. It came with a scrub brush, it came with 2 refills, and man, like I said, it just seems to work. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hop into our washing machine, spray it a little bit on that liner and see if it can get rid of some of the remaining mold that's on there even after our other wipe downs. Overall, really happy with it. If you're looking for something a little bit stronger than your typical spray, check this out. It's alien power, and I think you're gonna love it.